Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I made these super easy and delicious stuffed avocados. So for this recipe, I used parsley, mayonnaise, salt, tomatoes, pepper, bacon, celery, and avocados. Start with cooking the bacon. If you do not like bacon, you can substitute it with shrimp or you can leave it out altogether. Then cut the vegetables. I also made my own sauce by mashing an avocado, and to the mashed avocado I added mayonnaise, salt and pepper, and fresh parsley. Put all the vegetables in a bowl. Add the dressing. And I added some fresh parsley. Give it a mix and set it aside. Cut the avocados in half. And stuff the avocado. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.